Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you keto enthusiasts out there. The WonderSlim Keto Meal Replacement Shake. Glowing star. Now, let me tell you why this is the best keto meal replacement shake on the market. Stay tuned for the next 10 minutes as we dive into all the details. First off, this keto meal shake is a game changer. With only 1 gram of net carbs, 12 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fat or less per serving, it's perfect for those following a low-carb or keto-friendly lifestyle. But that's just the beginning. What sets the WonderSlim Keto Meal Replacement Shake apart is the inclusion of 25 essential vitamins and minerals, making it not only a delicious treat but also a health-conscious choice. And here's the kicker. It's available in 4 fantastic flavors: chocolate, mocha, vanilla, and a variety pack to keep things interesting. But that's not all, folks. This shake is formulated with C8-MCT oil, the perfect source of energy for those looking to kickstart their day or refuel after a workout. It's easy to digest and provides that much-needed energy boost without the sugar crash. But wait, there's more. WonderSlim has added hydrolyzed collagen to this shake, which comes with a slew of benefits. It aids in skin elasticity and hydration, supports anti-aging, and promotes hair and nail growth. Plus, it's good for your vascular and circulatory system, connective tissue, and even your lungs. Quality is essential, and that's why WonderSlim takes pride in using natural flavors for their shakes. You'll find less than 1 gram of sugar in each serving, with a calorie count of just 80 calories or less. And guess what? This product is gluten-free, so it's suitable for those with dietary restrictions. Trust is crucial, and WonderSlim is a brand you can rely on. These shakes are proudly made in the USA and undergo rigorous employee taste testing, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality. Now, let's talk about availability. You can get your hands on this fantastic product right now on Amazon.com. The prices are competitive, with the variety pack, chocolate, mocha, and vanilla flavors all priced at just $14.99 for a pack of 7 servings. But hold on, we've got more from WonderSlim. If you're looking for even more variety, WonderSlim offers a range of other meal replacement products like their meal replacement shake with 15 grams of protein and 24 vitamins and minerals. Additionally, WonderSlim has a lineup of snacks, including protein pretzels, protein pasta, protein wafer bar, fast boost energy drink, pea protein crisps, and much more. Alright, folks, that's a wrap on our review of the WonderSlim Keto Meal Replacement Shake. If you're ready to kickstart your keto journey with a delicious and nutritious shake, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on the latest and greatest products out there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.